but I'll be on it always, always and ever.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved the boho knotless braids on myself. I used two gels. The first one I showed is the Pure Natural Products Neat Braid Conditioning Gel, and then I also went in with the All Day Locks Braid Gel. These are two of my favorite braid gels right now. I use the green one on the roots of my hair, and then the All Day Locks like throughout the braid in order to tame my natural hair and disguise it in the braiding hair. I'm not going into detail about how exactly I did the knotless braid. That could be done in another video. I just specifically want to show y'all how I add in the boho curl pieces. When I went on YouTube to look up how people were doing the boho knotless braid style on themselves, I only saw videos of people adding in the curls with a crochet needle and sealing the curl with nail glue, but I thought that would be extremely time consuming to do all the knotless braids and then go back in and glue in some curls. Like, that was not my plan at all. And so I'm going to be showing you here how I add in the curl pieces as I'm braiding down instead of doing the crochet method. I'm going to be putting the curl in between those three fingers, as you can see right there. I'll put a tiny little piece, like the end of the curl, in the braid, and then flip the curl piece back to get that out of my way and continue to braid down as normal. That'll just make sure that that curl piece doesn't come out. I've never done the crochet method with the nail glue, and I'm pretty sure that'll stay in just like this will. But like I said, that seemed way more time consuming, and so I just did it this way. I'm going to show you guys a couple more times how I added in those pieces, and you will be able to see a clear picture of how exactly I did it. In all of my braids, except for the two in the front, I added in 3 curls per braid, and then the 2 in the front, I added in 4 curls. I wanted a semi-full look. I didn't want it to be too thin. I wanted it to kind of be full, but I was going to Vegas with this hair, and so I also didn't want it to be like extremely full and heavy and hot. This is how the curl should look in the braid once you are done. If you pay close attention, all of the braids on the left side of my hair have the curly pieces facing towards the right, and then vice versa. For the braids on the right, I have the curls facing to the left. I just wanted it to frame my face a little bit better. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!